Howdy, Paper Army. I've shown you this before. Keep the front of your scissors and these lines lined up as you cut. And what it will do, as you can see, it walks. The scissors will walk around on you. It's very difficult to cut straight unless you keep the line and your scissor blades in, I guess you would have to call that precision. They have to be precise with each other. The scissors are absolutely straight. Your line is absolutely straight. Then it's up to you to cut this. Now, what I'm doing that for is because I need these to do this. All of, wow. I can't believe that. It's amazing how stuff can disappear. Anyway, these pieces, to get this trim around the tires of the Tesla to look right, you have to have this little teeny tiny edge. Now what that does is that creates a lift for these parts so that they look like they're this way, which they are. But anyway, that's all part of the build on this Cybertruck. And so since this is the prototype, I'm getting it figured the best way I can through this. The other ones should go together better. It's just like I noticed today for the first time in all the Tesla trucks that I saw, I seen an angle at about this angle right here. Well, what I noticed is the back bumper goes up like this. Okay, it goes up like that. This is 1, this is 2. Didn't realize it until number 3. But number 3, I'm actually cutting the side panels up like that. So as you build, I'm building 5 of these. Reason I'm building 5 of them is this prototype, the number 1, has all of the learning curve to it. The number 2 also has learning curve. As I learn more with this one, I do better here. The number 3 is going to be better than these. Anyway, this is what you kind of have to do to make things look right. Now, I noticed that this is a little bit wide. All right, that means the number 2 is going to have a narrower cut black strip around here. This will be the same, but this will be a little bit narrower. What it will do is it will cause it to tip up more, but it will look better with perspective to the pictures that I see. So anyway, Paper Army, this is another little tutorial that I hope you're going to enjoy watching part of, so that you can start figuring out how to do these on your own. We've got very good artists in our community. And so, Paper Army, salute. Thank you for joining.